I was able to build a marketing board of directors to help me build my social media management business from scratch using NotebookLM without having to hire anyone. Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Risa and I'm on a journey to build my social media management business from scratch. But instead of guessing my way to success, I did something totally different. I use AI, specifically NotebookLM, to gather insights from some of the world's top marketing experts in my niche, and I turned them into my own personal board of directors, my virtual coaches guiding every move I make in my brand. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I'm using NotebookLM plus expert knowledge to build a smart, strategic social media management brand, even as a beginner. Alright, so the first step is to open up NotebookLM. So go to Google and type in NotebookLM and then click this first link and then click try NotebookLM. Now it's going to take me right here. Now you need to, if you don't see this, you need to actually register or sign up with your email address. It's totally free. Next, click create new notebook and it's going to open up like this. Now, the first thing is add sources. You can add sources directly from the internet by just clicking on web. You can also add sources directly from your Google Drive, and depending on type of research that you want to do, you can either do a deep research or a fast research. Next is this second section. You can go ahead and drop and add files directly from your device. You can upload PDF, images, docs, audios. You can also add YouTube videos by grabbing the link of the YouTube video and adding here. You can also copy a text and add in here. So let's close this. Now, there are three different panels right here. We have the source panels, the chat panel, and the studio panel. For the source panel, this is where you actually go ahead to add sources that you want to do research on. Now, remember that NotebookLM actually uses the sources that you add here in order to do its own research. All right, now, since I want to go ahead to create a marketing board of directors where I can actually get expert advice on how to run my own social media management business from start, I'm going to need to add the videos of those experts. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is to first of all add in a Chrome extension. So I'm going to go to Google Chrome Web Store, and on the search bar I'm going to type in this extension, which is called YouTube to NotebookLM. Now this is the extension right here. All right, so once it's opened up, you're going to see a blue button at the top right corner here which says add to Chrome. Click on that and then click add extension and just wait. It's going to add the extension. All right, so this is the extension right here. This is it here. All right, so once the extension is already added, the next step is to open up YouTube as usual and then just search the video that you want to add as a source material. Now, in my case, I'm going to be searching for videos of experts in my niche. For example, Alex Hemozi, 14 years of marketing advice in 35 minutes. Now, remember that you're going to be searching only for videos that you want to do research on a particular topic. All right. Now, if you take a look at the bottom right here, you're going to see the extension which says NotebookLM. And when you click on that, you can either create a new notebook directly here or you can choose a notebook that you've already created. Right now, the only notebook that I have is Untitled Notebook, right? So we can then go back to our NotebookLM. This is it here. At the top right here, you can see it says Untitled Notebook. So I'm going to go ahead and give a name to this notebook that we have created. So I'm going to quickly change this to marketing board of directors. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is go back to the video and then click NotebookLM extension and then click choose notebook, and immediately you're going to see this is a notebook. This is a title notebook. All right, so just click on that and it's going to add this video as a source material. Now when we come back here, this is it here. Can see. So we're going to do the exact same thing for the other videos that we want to add as source material. Now just search the topic and of course on the experts that you want to learn from, and then these are the videos that we have added. So these are the source materials that we have added to NotebookLM, and this is what we're going to be using to do our research on. All right, so the next thing we're going to be doing is how do we talk to these materials? How do we do research? This is where prompting comes into play. Now, I've actually created a detailed prompt to give to NotebookLM to give me the result or the answers I want and also to discuss with it. So this is the detailed prompt that I have created, and I actually used the help of ChatGPT to help me to give me the detailed prompts. Now, if you're interested in these prompts, I'm going to leave a link in the description box where you can go and grab it and make necessary edits depending on the type of business that you want to start. All right, so I'm going to go back and copy the prompts and go to NotebookLM and paste it in the chat section right here. Now, within my prompts, I've gone ahead to give some details about myself, like my skills and experiences. And what I wanted to do is to grab or analyze the videos that I've added as source materials, grab this information from this expert and use that to analyze me or my skills and experiences and tell me exactly where I am or my current position in the industry, my biggest weaknesses right now as a beginner social media manager, some of my unfair advantages based on my skills and experiences in this industry, what I should focus on in the next 90 days, what skills I must master to compete globally. All right, so this is the information it has given me. You can see it's telling me my current positioning right now. So it's also telling me my biggest weaknesses as of now, some of my unfair advantages that I have right now. And it also goes ahead to lay out a 90-day roadmap plan for me that I should follow. It start from day 1 to 30, and then the next is day 30 to 60, and then we have 61 to 90 days. So it gives me a detailed roadmap on what I should follow. So this is what I can go and read and make the necessary adjustments. Now, in the case I like this information or I want to save this information, now when you scroll right down to the end, you're going to see this button which says save to note. So when you click on that, it's going to automatically save. Now you can see on the bottom right corner right here. So you can also convert this as a source material and add it as your source if you like, but we're going to look at that later on. But for now, I want to also ask it, how do I position myself beyond just a social media manager? All right, so here is what it's telling me to do. It's actually telling me to stop selling my time and start selling a transformation. It also goes ahead to tell me what most beginners are doing wrong in this niche and how I can also come in and position myself as the best. So it's basically giving me a step-by-step action plan that I can use or to follow in order to position myself beyond just a social media manager. Now, below this, I can go ahead and say this as a note, and right here, I can click these 3 dots on the note and convert it to source. So when I click on convert to source, it now brings this information on the source panel right here. So here it is. I can go ahead and convert the other ones to source materials. Now, on the studio panel on the right here, you can see there's some tools here that you can use in order to add some visuals to your research and, of course, make it interactive. For example, we're going to start with video overview. You can create a short video overview of your entire research. Now, but first, click on this little pen icon and you can go ahead to add some settings to this. So you can either go choose to create an explainer video or a brief video, and then go now to the visual style. Choose the particular visual style you want. But for this video, we're going to be using whiteboard. You can add in a prompt. What should the AI focus on when creating this video? So when you add in your prompts, click generate. So once it's done generating the video, you can see right here, click on the video, and then you can go ahead and watch.
Okay, so if you're a skilled professional and you're just tired of chasing after low-value work, this is for you. We are about to break down the blueprint that the absolute top marketers are using right now to bring in premium, high-ticket clients.
It's infographics. Go to the studio panel again, click infographic, but first we need to click on this pen icon to add some customization. So we're going to choose orientation and the level of detail, and then next adding a detailed prompt of the type of infographic we want. Click generate and wait. So here it is. After it's done generating, you can click and open it up, and this is the infographics. Then we have the audio overview tool right here, which I like to use to create a conversational style podcast for my research project. So I'm going to come here and click on this little pen icon to add some settings to it. So first of all, you're going to have to choose the format style. Now you have the deep dive, you have the brief, critique, and debate. And now I like to go for the deep dive because it's a lively conversation between 2 hosts, and I can also interact with it by asking personalized questions. So I can go ahead and choose that. And then we have now the language. You can go ahead and choose a language, but I'm going to leave on English, and also the length of the audio. So I'm going to leave this on default, and then we'll go now to where we can go ahead and add in a prompt. All right, so what I've asked it to do is to help me to generate the audio podcast focusing on these key points, which is to extract advanced and relevant strategies, not basic tips, showing how I can actually apply them to my situation, how to turn my experiences into a premium offer, how to package a strategy, how to use YouTube and LinkedIn to attract clients, what content builds trust, and so on and so forth. So, all right, so here it is. So it has finished generating it. So we can come here and click the play button and listen.
Back to the deep dive. We are staring down the barrel of fly.
Exactly. You are invisible. You're a commodity. I mean, in an era.
Now, if in case you want to interact with it, maybe to ask personalized questions, we can go ahead and click on this interactive mode. Then we can play the audio.
Welcome back to the deep dive. We are staring down the barrel of a pretty brutal truth about the marketing world in 2026. If you are currently making a living just posting content,
And then just click join.
Hey, here's some hashtag. Oh, wait. Someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
All right, so I'm just a total beginner and I have no clue how to go about starting this business. So please, can you give me a step-by-step process on how I can start it from scratch?
That is a fantastic question.
And honestly, the perfect time to ask it.
Because what we are discussing today is exactly the step-by-step model.
Most people try to start by posting, which is the wrong way.
We want you to start with the foundational vision.
It begins with what we call the model over method. Forget tactics like trending hashtags for a second. We want to focus on the economic engine. If you build a machine that turns $1 into $10, you can stay in business forever.
You just spend as much as you can.
Yep. Go on.
All right, so I want to start by building a content marketing system to promote myself as a social media manager on LinkedIn. So how do I go about it specifically on LinkedIn?
That is a phenomenal pivot, focusing on LinkedIn. It is perfect for professional services in B2B.
But the mistake everyone makes is posting generic tips there.
You need to start with the micro trigger strategy.
We were just about to talk about this, so this is perfect timing.
Instead of shouting at the party, we want you to start conversations.
The brutal truth on LinkedIn is you are not looking for 1 million views.
You are looking for 10 qualified leads that can pay you well.
So how do you do that? It's a 3-step workflow.
First, identify a tiny solvable problem your ideal client has.
Since you're targeting clinic owners, maybe the problem is I post constantly, but nobody books appointments.
Right, it's specific and painful.
Step 2, create a help magnet.
Keep it simple, 1-page PDF or a checklist.
We called it the 5-point patient inquiry checklist earlier.
That's your lead magnet. Low friction, high value.
Step 3 is the post itself, the micro trigger,
This is key. It should be text only, simple.
and written at a low reading level, like 3rd grade.
Not because your audience is unintelligent.
But because they're doom scrolling, you need to stop the scroll fast.
You simply say something like, most clinics post constantly but get 0 patients. I found 5 things that actually drive bookings. Comment patient and I'll DM it to you.
No links. Platforms hate links, especially LinkedIn.
By commenting, they're raising their hand, activating the system.
And that's exactly where you use the LCR framework in the DMs.
Lead magnet, connection, recommendation.
You send the checklist, ask a qualifying question.
Another thing we can generate is a slide deck. All right, so we're going to customize the slide deck. So you can choose your format, you can choose the language, the length of the slide deck that you want. We're going to leave everything on default and then go ahead and add in our prompts and then click generate. Right, so here is the slide deck that it has generated. We can click on that, click on this play button right here, and then you can just scroll through and present it. All right, so this is how it's looking like. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching the video right up till now, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and of course do not forget to smash that subscribe button, because that is how you're going to get updated every time I upload such videos. Hope you enjoyed the video once more, and thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.